Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Proving that wellness can be a way of life, Waimrino Lodge has created Waiora, a luxury residence overlooking Lake Wakatipu in Queenstown. Designed to foster optimal well-being through sustainable building practices, holistic health and fitness facilities, and an immersive natural environment, Waiora is a luxurious home that marks the zenith of wellness in architecture. Modern life has taught us the importance of home. A living environment that fosters and inspires a healthy lifestyle can make all the difference to our physical well-being, and surrounding ourselves with natural beauty is the key to emotional balance. Currently in development, Waiora takes a holistic approach to wellness. Designed using green construction techniques, the home uses natural materials to ensure the interior environment is as healthy as possible. Facilities for yoga, gym and body care practices, such as saunas, plunge pool and spa, are integrated into this luscious setting overlooking Lake Wakatipu, just 8 minutes from Queenstown CBD.